All right, I'm going to show you how. Hmm, so apparently, everyone is putting their website as a single point of failure in Cloudflare, right? Like literally everyone, including me, myself. And then when this shit is happening on November 18th, 2025, everyone was fine. Everyone's got internal server error caused by Cloudflare itself, and then yeah, we basically so much people do nothing. And personally, what I do in my company, I was basically switch everything, our the proxy Cloudflare domain and subdomains. We switch everything that using Argo Cloudflare tunnel. We switch everything back to just like pointing R record, just like all days, like normal ways, without using Cloudflare at all. So I'm going to share how we can achieve this and how we can uh, get up faster before the Cloudflare is actually do the job. Because actually the total outage is more than like 3 to 4 hours, and for the critical infrastructure and critical SaaS, etc., it's a lot of business that depending on our infrastructure, right? So I'm going to share to you how we can do. The one thing that we can do is to using, of course, using infrastructure as code, using Terraform. That's what I do for the last 4 years, using Terraform Cloudflare. All right, I think I need the laptop. Yes, this one. So basically, we need to create one specific GitOps operation, one specific repository. So we host everything, all subdomains, all domains, all uh, load balancer Cloudflare, everything that Cloudflare hosted in Cloudflare. We have to define it as an infrastructure as code. So when shit happen, we are preparing some script or CI. So every time we remove everything from the main repos, we create something like failover repos, and then we have like one PR open to failover. So when the shit happen, all you need to do is just click the merge. That's one thing when the problem is just like it is from the Cloudflare side, from the I mean basically from the Cloudflare proxy itself. But for the last 6 or 5 years, the Cloudflare outage is always from their proxy, and it's really horrible. It feels like half of the internet is proxy to Cloudflare, right? Yeah. The one thing we can mitigate the risk when we are using Cloudflare. We cannot have really dependence. Like we always have to uh, find our ways. That's what I think we can do. And uh, one thing, I'm just going to show you the record. Yeah, this specific resource that we need to make it infrastructure as code in our infrastructure basically, and then we have to make like some kind of agreement in our on our team. So every time there is new subdomains, there is we delete subdomains, there is some IP checks, we have to update it from GitOps operation. So it's one thing. The other thing is we got really good channel logs, I guess. Oh, wait a minute, where is this? Uh, yeah, that's it. And I think this is the first video. I'm just going to I'm just trying to get myself to start recording so I can force myself for the next video. Right, Debbie? All right, I'm going to share the repository later.